Infotech Impact is an organization here in the United States that is committed to teaching people IT information technology for free. We're a non-profit organization. We're a 501c organization, which means we are recognized by the government of the United States here. And so when you come to us for training, you're actually not paying anything. Okay, so you are here today because you want to register for the business analysis intensive class. So what you do is you will receive a link. This is the 16-week course. Please do not register for this class if you don't have time to commit. Commitment is very, very important for this training. This training is a zero to hero training, which means you go from no knowledge to becoming a very, very, very knowledgeable professional at the end of the 16 weeks. So you click on, you will receive a link to register. You go to that link, or you just go to the business analysis intensive training, and then you see the page where you can do your registration. Now you're on the page to register for the class. So you're on the business analysis intensive page. You can read all the information here. You go to the form, register for the course, put in your name, your first name, your last name, your country, your state, your city. How did you hear about us? Are you willing to create time for this course? It has to be yes. If you're not willing to create time for this course, you will not be able to register. Your phone number, your email address, put only Gmail address. Don't put Yahoo, don't put Hotmail. The system will not accept that. We accept only Gmail address because in the course of our training, we will share information with you on Google Drive, and only Gmail email address will be accepted for that. So I put some test one here. What is your highest qualification? You put that here, you select that. Your IT knowledge, I put beginner. You can put whatever you want. You can select whatever you want. The batch, you have to select a batch. You will see an option to select a batch. So you select that batch. If you don't do that, you will not be able to register, because people can register into different batches. So the current batch is what you will see here. It might not be exactly what you're seeing on my screen, but you will see something. Name of person who referred you. If somebody referred you, you can put that person's name here. What is the purpose of your registration? There are a lot of other options there. You choose whatever is relevant to you. I consent to receive email and messages from Infotech Impact. You have to check that. If you don't check that, you will not be able to register. And then you have to do the captcha. You go here, you see the captcha. This is XBHFR. You type that in, XBHFR. And then you click on register. System is processing. System says, wait, your registration is successfully submitted, but you are not yet fully registered. You will need to take a test before you are fully registered. Please check your email for further action. So you click on OK. So what you have done now is pre-registration. You are not fully registered. You will need to go into your email, look at the credentials sent to you, and then you go take the test. So I'll click on OK here. Now you have pre-registered and you have received your first email. The first email, please read the email. Don't just partially read it. Make sure you read the whole email. The email will consist of your username and your password to log in, and the URL to log into. You will see that in your email, which will be a little bit different from here. This information that you're seeing here is just for testing. So please don't follow exactly what you see here. Follow what you see on your email. there will be 5 YouTube videos to watch, or maybe 6, but follow what is on your email. Here it's saying there are 3 YouTube videos. There will be more than 3 YouTube videos that you need to watch. Some are very short ones, just on how to take the test, which is like the one that you're listening to right now. That is how to take the test. And then you will see all the links to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Please do that, so we can get more visibility, worldwide. And if you think at this stage, hey, I don't wish to register again, you can delete your registration, and that will be the end of it. Thank you. Now click on the link here. So we're now going to log in. Now click on the link here. So at this time, I assume that you have watched the videos. You have taken time, you have watched the videos. Now you want to log in and take the test. So you click on the link here. Once you click on the link here, it leads you to a page like this. So you put in your username, which is your email address that you have used to register. So this is the email address that I used. I'm going to put my password, the one that was sent to you in the email. I click on agree to the terms of use, and I click on sign in. So because this is the first time that you are registering on our application, it's going to tell you to change your code. So I'm going to read the instruction here. It says, please click on send code. So I'm going to click on send code. And then if I want to be using my device, I'm going to select do not challenge me on this device for the next 60 days. I'm going to click on send code. Then I will receive a code in my email. Please don't just wait and think that a code will come to you without clicking on send code. So now I'm going to click on send code. Okay, it says code is sent successfully. I'm going to go into my email. So I'm doing that on my phone. I should receive immediately a code. So I'm going to put in that code. So the code that I received is 559038. You will receive your own code. Just type in the code there and you click on verify. So once you click on verify, now you are ready to change. You are ready to change your password. So I'm just going to change my password. I'm going to confirm that password. Now I've changed my password. You can click on the eye to make sure that, eye icon to make sure that you are putting in the same thing in both places. And then now you click on change password. Now you have just changed your password. So, and you can see that now the system has led you to the student portal, which is our student portal. So on the student portal, you will see my dashboard, you will see my class, you will see my profile. That is the profile that the information that you gave when you registered, my exam and test. That is the page that will open to you immediately. So let's click on it one by one. On my dashboard, you're going to see just your dashboard. You can donate to us here. We're a non-profit organization. We live on donations from people like you. You can go ahead and do that. My class, this is the class that you have registered for, and you will always see this. So if you come back again and register for another class, then you see number 2. You register for another class, you see number 3. All the classes that you ever register for, you will see all the classes here. My profile is the information that you submitted on the application when you are registering for the class. And my exam and test, that is where you need to go. So My exam and test, you see, if you don't complete this test, you are just pre-registered and you are not registered for this class. So what do you need to do? You need to click on new. Then you need to start the test. It says, please answer the questions. Once you move forward to the next question, you will not be able to go back. Click on start to start the test. I click on start. Then it will present you the questions, 10 questions that you're supposed to answer. Here you see 5, but yours is going to be 10. So I'm just going to, what is programming? Programming is history. I'm just picking something now. It doesn't mean that that is right. I think the right one here is logic used in developing an application. I click on next. Is programming difficult to learn and takes time? Oh, well, I'm going to say yes, it takes time. I click on next. I don't know anything about development and programming, but I can study it and become a programmer in 2 days. Oh, wow, that's not possible. No, I'm going to say no. I click on next. Why United States have more developers than Nigeria? United States bigger than Nigeria in population. United States is more advanced technology-wise. I'm just going to choose one. I'll say United States is bigger than Nigeria. I'll click on next. A variable will hold data. I'm going to say yes. So please note that these are not questions that you will see. These are just sample questions. The questions that you will answer will be based on the video that you have watched. So now I've completed all. I'm just going to click on submit. System will submit. It says you successfully completed the test. I'll click on OK. So my score is 80%. It means I missed one out of the questions. Now I should receive a second email that says I am fully registered. So if you go back to your training room, you open it up, you see my exam and test. Now it should be completed. Now you are fully registered for the class. Now when you go to your email, you should receive the email that says, congratulations, you are fully registered. You are now fully registered for the training. You can still, you can donate to us. You can, go to our Facebook. You can like us on Facebook, follow us, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Welcome to the training, and we hope to see you very soon. You will receive in the first email when you're supposed to take the test. The last time you can take the test will be specified in the first email. If you don't take the test before then you will not be able to register again for the class. Thank you. Wishing you the best of luck.